This is grade 3, exercise 1a sad song, and it's the chord part. So the chords start in the right hand, and then on the second line, we swap to the left hand, but it's still around middle C. Okay, so the first bit in the right hand is 5 and 3 on F and D. So you're going to do these twice, it's going to be quick long. Then 4 and 2 on C and E. Then 3 and 1, but the thumb is on B flat, so you have to move in. So B flat and D. Then your thumb moves to A, 3 stays on D, and you just play that chord once. Okay, I'll do that bit again. Good. Then in bar 5, in your left hand, you're going to do 2 and 4 on D and F, still just above middle C. So same rhythm again, quick long. This time we're going up to 1 and 3 on E flat and G. Back to 2 and 4. Hold your 2 and 4 while you balance and play 3 and 5 on E and C, short and come off. And then you go on to D and F sharp with 4 and 2. I'm going to do that last bit again. Hold short. Okay, from the very beginning.